Today I am making a pepper snail that can go well with that soft drink with beer. You can even use it to eat rice. No long stories. First thing you want to do is to deshell your snail. Use whichever method. Some people use hot water, some people use knife, some people break it, but I just use fake to remove it. Use whichever method best suits you. Okay, so after that you have to wash your snail. Only God knows how many times I wash this snail. I wash as many times using alum. Lime can also be used. Some people even use garri to wash their snail. Okay, wash until it is very clean and the water is as white as this. So after it has been thoroughly washed, the next thing you want to do that is to parboil it. Just parboil it for a few minutes. Add your seasoning. For me, I use some curry thyme and I added a little bit of ginger. That is what you see me grating. Okay. After parboiling for about 3 minutes, the next thing you want to do now is to remove it from the fire and drain out the water. Don't overcook the snail. So fry your snail into a hot oil on fire. Pour the snail and fry for a few minutes. Don't make it too dry. So once the snail is fried to your desired texture, pack it out of the oil. Okay, so into the same oil, saute some onions. Let the onions fry for some few minutes. Then add your grounded pepper. For the pepper mix, I grounded just fresh peppers. Add your seasoning cubes. I use just one seasoning. Then you can add your curry thyme or whichever seasoning of your choice. Okay, do whatever pleases you. Okay, add a little bit of salt. So when the pepper is well fried and your water has dried out like this, the next thing you want to do is to go in with your snail. Add the snail to the already dried pepper on fire and stir continuously so that everything can be well incorporated into the snail. So just like that, the snail is ready. This snail is best enjoyed with cold drink on a hot afternoon. It goes well with your beer, it goes well with your juice, it goes well with those milk, anything. So but on this very day, I enjoyed mine with some white rice. Just as you can enjoy it with anything of your choice too. So guys, if you have watched with me till this time, thank you very much. If you are new here, you are welcome, and to my returning subscribers, you are the best. If you haven't subscribed, kindly do, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell, as I'll be dropping new videos every week, sometimes twice in a week. So until next week when I come again with another beautiful and interesting video, God bless you and bye.